creating leagues on Fantasy Premier League and playing it with your friends can be very fun. Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create leagues on Fantasy Premier League. This feature or creating a league is not possible on the Premier League app, so you're going to open your browser and log in into Premier League app. And after that, you're going to go to Fantasy and you're going to go to points right here. And after you scroll down a little, you can see your leagues and cups right here. So on this, if you scroll down a little, you can see create and join leagues. So you click on that, and if you want to create a league, you click on create a league and team, and you can choose any one of these options as per your preference, and you enter your league name, your scoring stats, your functions, and you just click on create and your league will be created. So I believe I've taught you guys something, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then,